What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. La, 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 la. Yes, sir. It's the one. Let's go with the triple B's. We see my Queen B, and you know it's up. Yes, sir. Alright, so listen up. So I know it's been a while. Hey, I know it's been a while. I haven't been posting for like I don't know months. Anyways, and I'm back with another thing. Now I'm back, and it's about to get lit. Okay, now it's about to get lit. Alright, so what's happening? What's happening is that so me and my friend came up with this idea of pranking my parents. Well, she's not here right now. We just thought about this idea at school, and she was like, "Yeah, you should do it." I was like, "Yeah, I'm gonna do it." Okay, so I'm planning on doing the coughing out blood prank on my parents. So you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna call them to the living room, and then after calling them, I'm just gonna be like, "Hey, come check this movie," and then they all come, and I'll be like, "Oh, say hi to the camera. I'm vlogging for the day. I'm vlogging something else." They'll be like, "Hi, camera," hopefully, and then I'm just gonna set the camera there, and then like I'll take out the blood. I already have the blood. Okay, so I found the blood. I was looking for the blood immediately when I came back from school. I was like, I have to do this prank today so I can edit it and then upload it as soon as possible, because today is Friday, and it's the vampire blood, looks and flows like red blood, whatever. So this is the blood. I'm just gonna like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna put a little bit inside a plastic and then thingy it, and then just put it there, and then just chill with them for a while, and then pop it inside my mouth like and like and like okay, I'm
Hello, my name's Sophia. Hi, Kendra. She just stopped coming to work.
Mommy, I feel like there's something here.
Will you excuse me, please? Hello, we have to go soon.
It might be flu.
Okay, just a few.
Needed water.
I was like, it's about to go down.
You really didn't have to do that. Oh, it's my pleasure. Is it? It's very good. Glad to hear that.
You look absolutely.
This just will make anyone look good. Thank you. Oh, my pleasure. Would you like a drink before you go?
Oh, no. She has the dominance of a 2-year-old.
Yeah, I'll leave my one food for the gala.
So I'm saying I can drink my nap through the neighborhood.
The TV background music understood the assignment.
You know this kind of stuff. What it's all performance. You know my wife. You know Reverend? I come against Get out of my face. Get out of my face. I'm a member of don't go with this book. Remy. Are you okay? Honey, what? Please, excuse me. So, is there a nanny in this house?
Holy Ghost fire.
Becky wants a nanny or not? Oh no. I'm not sure. Jack? Oh no! Right. Okay. Your mommy had to go to the hospital. Why? Is she sick? She'll be fine. But she's going to stay overnight, so we'll be back in the morning. It's going to be okay. Promise? Of course.
I'm sad I can't hug you.
I know. I'm sorry I can't hug you too.
Does it hurt?
They gave me medication, so I feel a little better. The doctor said I'll be coming home tomorrow.
I don't understand how they ended up poison ivy on your dress.
I'm hungry.
Give your mom an ear kiss and we'll go down to the cafeteria and get you some.
Get pregnant. I want to bring them on.
I got in trouble. I think I know what happened. Well, I told her she must have got poisoned in her clothes because I found her in your room later, playing with your dress, trying it on. But when I go back home, I pull out the lights. I insist. You still remember the garden?
What's that, huh?
Oh, I was just leaving.
What's the good concept to what to do?
One big ass in the childhood food insecurity program.
I guess I'm
about what happened.
Sorry.
Well, you just told me it was
Okay, so guys, thank you guys for watching. I pranked them and the prank was successful. Hey, the prank went well. And people started praying. Some were bringing buckets and stuff. It was hectic. But okay, so guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to get more.
I'll get you, babe. I will get you, babe.
Where's the blood?
Yo, Angie, please, yo.
Did you see her bleeding? Asha, did you see her? Huh?
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content to come on. And bye.